I'm going to share with you today how to publish your iWeb, your teacher website using iWeb for the very first time. And I'm going to try to use some terms today that'll maybe help you out and help you remember what to do. So the first thing we're going to need to do is to connect to the server. And this is going to tell your computer or tell the network who you are, and it's also going to publish your web page to the Como ISD, to your school web page. Like I'm at Robble Verde, so where the staff directory is, where the website is, this is going to publish it to that place. The first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to click your desktop, so that way you have this little finder guy at the top, and you're going to come over here to Go, and you're going to come down to Connect a Server. For some of our people that like to use shortcuts, you could also use Command K on your keyboard. So I'm going to connect a server, and I'm going to click. You're going to click Connect. It may come up and prompt you to put in your credentials, so I did mine. You know you're connected to the server when you see a box with these little people on it. We're going to need to put our, where we just connected to the server, we're going to need to put this into our devices area. So I'm going to come down here to my Finder tab, and I'm going to click it. And I'm going to move these people into a certain area. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to click with my mouse and use my other finger to drag on the mouse pad to manipulate this around. So I'm going to drag it into this devices area and drop it. All right, now we're going to need to open up our iWeb, and it's going to be down here on your taskbar as iWeb. It has a little corkboard. Or you can come up to your Finder section and you can type in iWeb, and it should come up in your applications. Now I'm down in my website down here, and we're going to need to click on the main folder, and you're going to kind of see how this one's the main folder, all your folder settings, and it's at the very top. And we're going to make sure that all of our published settings are correct. So the first thing we're going to need to do is to make sure that you are publishing to the local folder. So you're going to click Publish to Local Folder. You need to name your site something. My second graders are All-Stars, so mine's going to be called Shippy's All-Stars, and your contact email. Now that we have where it's publishing to the local folder, the site name, and your contact email, it's time to put a location or choose a location for this to publish to. So we're going to need to click here under folder location. We're going to click choose, and then we're going to click your name. So mine came up here underneath devices. I'm going to click Amanda Shippy, and I'm going to click choose. And right here under locations, you're going to see the word volumes. If you see the word users, it's not going to be publishing it to the right place. You need to see this needs to pop up showing as volume, so it's publishing to the correct place. All right, our last and final step is to publish it. iWeb, I'm going to click File, Publish Entire Site. Now, if you just made a few changes, you would just do site changes, but this is the first time that we're going to publish it, so we're going to go Publish Entire Site. You're going to tell it continue. If it asks for the rights, you're going to click continue, and you're going to wait for all of this to publish. Don't forget to go and check to make sure that your website was uploaded correctly. If your website wasn't uploaded correctly, try to refresh the page. If it's still not uploaded correctly, come to Safari right here and empty the cache. Let me know if you have any questions. Amanda.shippy@comoisd.org. Thanks.